Check out na tayo, guys. Yan ang laman ng ating cart. Magkano kaya ang magagastos natin for this week? Baby, what's so funny? Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. What's so funny, baby? Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Sunday! So it's another Sunday, another grocery shopping vlog. And haul na naman tayo. So nakauwi na si Mister, kaya pupunta kami again ng Walmart para sa ating weekly grocery shopping. So ayan si Zara. Ready na kami. Inaantay lang namin si Mister kasi andun pa siya sa bathroom. May ginagawa pa siya doon. So again, gamit-gamit ko ngayon ang ating bagong camera na Insta360 Go 3S. So tingnan natin kung paano yung magiging quality niya pagka sa labas. Kasi nung last na ginamit ko to, kung napanood niyo yung aking previous vlog, dito siya sa loob ng bahay. Inaaral ko pa yung mga settings niya para makuha natin yung magandang quality ng video. Say hi to the video, baby. Baby, say hi to the vlog. Zira, say hello to the vlog. Hi! Busy si Zara, nanonood ng Sunny Bunnies. Yan ang isa sa mga favorite shows niya. Una si Miss Rachel, pero parang nalilipasan na si Miss Rachel. Tapos ito, Sunny Bunnies. Baby! Hi Zara! Hi Dada! Nag-aano pa si Mister. Anong tawag dito? Nilalagyan niya ulit ng air yung aming mga tires. Baby, where are we gonna go? Are we going to Walmart? Are we gonna do grocery shopping? Yan guys, so we are on our way to Walmart. And it's currently 1:52 p.m. And yung temperature ngayon is 7 degrees Celsius. Pero parang hindi naman siya ganun kalamig ngayon. Isn't that cold? Like,
it's been cold. It's not that cold right now. It's not warm. There's like a body of water over there too. I never even knew there was.
there?
There's like a lake back there.
Oh yeah. So meron doong lake. Hindi namin napapansin ni Mr. na meron palang mga bodies of water around here. Ngayon lang namin napansin. So love, how was your drive last week?
It was terrible. It was raining like crazy the whole time, and it was snowing a little bit for like one night. And they made me go to a ridiculous place in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is like a labyrinth when you're in the middle of it. And I had to deal with that. And I had to go to a meeting. And then I had to stand around while they repaired the camera so the all-seeing eye could monitor my behaviors and things. And the safety manager was threatening us, like, we're gonna fire you if you don't behave. But I know they cannot fire me. And if they want to fire me, good. I do not like the company that I work for. So if they want to fire me, peace out.
So yun, medyo stressful ang kanyang week last week. Lagi na bang stressful ang kanyang week. Kasi nga, diba, pagka truck driver, ganun talaga. Medyo nagugutom na ako. Alam, I'm hungry. I'm starving. Zara doon sa likod. Baby! Tinry ko siya i-mount dito. Kaya alam mo, ayaw niya kasing dumikit. Parang meron lang siya mga specific surfaces na didikit yung. Tapos inon ko yung gesture control. Aksidente na itaas ko yung kamay ko. Bigla siyang nag-stop. Dapat pala na-i-off ko na yung gesture control. Anyway, so far maganda naman siya. Parang okay naman yung kanyang quality both inside and outside the house. Although talagang nung pinapanood ko yung mga comparison sa DJI Osmo 3 and this one, kung yung quality ang pag-uusapan, mas maganda talaga yung DJI, kaso mas mahal siya. Sabi ni Mister, dapat daw yun na lang ang binili ko. Sabi ko, ay masyadong mahal yun. Do you think it's worth it to buy just the DJI instead of this one?
Yes.
Why? It's so expensive. But I think the sound quality is okay.
Yeah, but there's no microphone.
Why would I need a
If I knew this, I
microphone?
would never have approved this project.
Whatever. So yun, syempre, kahit pera ko yung ginamit doon, nanghingi pa rin ako ng...
That's a ridiculous camera that you cannot put a microphone into it. That's like useless.
It's not useless. I think it's
It's
fine.
almost useless.
Mic is just for you to have better sound quality, but I guess the sound quality of this camera is pretty decent.
Is it gonna be able to hear us over the car? Have you
Yeah.
tried that?
Yes. We're gonna try. Gonna check it.
Check now.
Okay, so tingnan namin kung okay ba siya pagka nasa loob ng sasakyan. So, andito na kami sa Walmart.
Go to the blue stuff.
So, where?
Blue stuff. Your shot is going to be crooked.
The what?
Baby, you got it.
Hi, Zira. Dito na tayo sa loob ng Walmart. The what?
Dollar bread.
What's that? I thought you're gonna get
It's the
the
stuff, but it's not red anymore.
Old
And
Spice.
it's cheaper.
Really? Is that for the whole body? TV, what's that? Naghahanap na naman ng bagong si Lister. Toy para kay Zira.
Why did it
She's gonna
upside
spend
down?
money for that. I don't think she's gonna use that.
Push
The
and
dog.
pull.
Do you like the dog? She likes the cat better.
They don't
Find
have
a
a push
cat.
and pull.
It's a cat better.
It's just a little one. This thing she can drag it around and wheels and stuff. It's
Do you like that, baby?
The price is right and she can play with it. This is for the
What did you get for Zira? The little sunshine. Ang cute ng mga pang mga babies. Parang gusto namin bumili nito. Gusto kong bumili nito para sa ating second baby. Cute sila. Ang cute nito. Oh. Love, look. It's so cute. Baby, what's that? You have a new book. And then a new toy again. Baby, are you reading books inside Walmart? Or what's that? She's kissing this one. So, nagde-decide kami ni Mr. kung 6 or 7 ang kukunin naming size ng diaper para kay Zira. Kasi currently, 6 ang ginagamit niya. Pero parang gusto na namin siyang i-ano sa 7. What are you gonna get? 6 or 7?
pounds is she?
Ha?
How many pounds is she?
I don't know.
You think she's 32 to 40?
Pounds? I'm not sure.
16 to 34? 7 to 15 kilograms?
Yeah, I think she's more than that.
You guess how many kilograms she
I
is.
think she's more than 20 kilograms.
More than 20?
Yeah.
So that would be like 38 to 50 pounds, 17 to 23
I
kilograms.
think. What size is this?
It's 14.
Ah,
What size is her pants?
40, 50. Meron silang ganitong mangga. Hindi ko alam kung masarap. Masarap ba to? Na-try nyo na ba yan? Parang ang gaganda ng mga mangoes nila. So, may mga pineapple and ayun, oranges. Gusto ko sana ng pineapple kasi sabi kasi nila diba nakakapag-cause daw yun na dilate. Kasi sabi naman nila pagka konti lang, okay lang. Love, do you think we should get some pineapple?
You don't like it?
I like it.
Are you sure?
Check out na tayo, guys. Yan ang laman ng ating cart. Magkano kaya ang magagastos natin for this week? Wait. So, ayan. Done na tayong mamili dito sa Walmart. Sakit ng balakang ko. Grabe. Last week ko na ito magka-third trimester na ako this coming Friday. Sobrang lamig ngayon. Sakit talaga ng balakang ko. Tapos sumakit pa yung tiyan ko kanina. Kinabahan ako kanina doon nun. Namimili kami sa Walmart. Sabi ko kay Mister, bilisan natin kasi nga ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Pero naging okay naman na. Kasi yung balakang ko tsaka legs ko ang sakit. Yun talaga mahirap pagka medyo may edad ka na nagbuntis. Baby, 3:15 PM na ay. Baby, what's so funny? Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. What's so funny, baby? Let's go na inside, baby. It's very cold.
It's not our boss.
May nakatawid dito sa amin na bowl. It's a ball! So, ayan guys, we are back home and start na tayong mag-grocery shopping haul. So, first, egg. Isang tray ng egg. And then, diaper ni Zeta, yung pull-ups. Pero meron din kaming kinuha. Did we get some Huggies, love?
Yeah.
Size 6. Pero kumuha din kami ng isang box ng Huggies na size 6. Tapos ito extra for 45p na pull-ups. And then itong book ni Zeta. Toy. Mini croissant. And then dalawang bread. Cheerios. Paper towels. Honey barbecue sauce. And then kumuha ulit ako nito. Medyo matagal-tagal na akong hindi nakakatikim nito. Mango coconut drinks. Olives. Peanut butter, dalawa. Yung isa yung Jif honey creamy peanut butter. And then ito yung para kay Mr. Dadali niya sa work. Olives. Yung isa pala ay pickles. Ito yung olives. Grapes. Dalawang bags ng grapes. Green beans. Mini peppers. 2 pack of strawberries. Broccoli. Bananas. Garlic. And then mangoes. Ito yung mangga na nakita ko doon na parang kamukha ng mangga natin sa Pilipinas. Itatry ko lang siya. And then yung normal na mangoes na kinukuha namin dito. Celery sticks. Onions. Apples. Avocados. Carrots. Potatoes. Crackers. Goldfish. Mac and cheese. Golden curry. Real bacon pieces. Dalawang Ben and Jerry na ice cream. And then whole milk. Tatlong ano ito. Tatlo. 3 pieces. Tatlong whole milk. Seasoning na Kinders. Hindi ko alam. Love how they pronounce this. Kinders. Basta whatever. Seasoning siya. Roast chicken with garlic and herbs. And then ground turmeric. Smoked ham. Beans. Kiwi strawberry juice. Sliced medium cheddar. Pork. What's this, love? Beef?
Damn, leave that out.
And then beef steak, chicken breast, and what is this? Both chicken breast? Chicken thigh, or chicken thighs and chicken breast. Full body deodorant. And then ang aking eyebrow pencil. And then melon. So ayun yung aming pinamili for this week. And ang total niya ay $312.54. Medyo marami kasing mga meats and chicken. Kaya napamahal. So ipuput away ko lang ito. And tatapusin ko na rin siguro yung video dito. Ano lang tayo talaga. Purely grocery shopping video and haul. So maraming salamat po ulit sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye!